Hi guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing my latest purchases from Hermes and from Chanel. I hope that you will like this vlog and will find it interesting. By the way guys, please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I'm so excited to unbox all of these purchases with you, and some of them are actually not for me, some of them are for my mom. I feel like I'm slowly falling in love more and more with the brand. I'll start with the small boxes first. Actually, I will open some of them because some of them are for my mom. I don't want to spoil the packaging. But the good thing is that some of them are identical, so I will still be able to show to you different things. Actually, I don't remember which one is which, but I won't open the ones with the same codes. I have to say, I absolutely enjoy unboxing Hermes's purchases. Their packaging is just the best from all the brands that I buy. So this is a clear nail polish. It's a base coat. I wanted to try it and I think it would work best with the nail polish that I purchased. I like the quality of Hermes's products and I'll definitely continue buying them. Alright, moving on to the other one. In my previous vlog, I unboxed a similar shade, but this one is a bit lighter. Actually, I have to say, I love lots of colors at Hermes. They have a nice variety, that's for sure. I decided to go for this shade. It's such a fun color. I will also wear it next time and show to you how it looks on me. And actually, at the moment, I'm wearing the previous color, which I also love. I also bought the same nail polish for my mom. Next up we have another, well, it's not a nail polish. Let me show you what is inside. It is an oil and I need this one because I get like an allergy from a nail polish remover. And also because I keep on washing my hands quite often, my skin gets very dry. And also hand sanitizers keep drying my skin. I will definitely use this one a lot and I think it will last me for quite some time. And here I have two scarves, one is for me and one is for my mom. And I will only unbox one of them, the one that my mom did not select. She chose this one, I think it's so beautiful and I like it as well. I just love the color combination and she looks so stunning and elegant when wearing it. And I think I might go back to the store and get the same one for myself because I don't want to miss out on it. So let's begin unboxing. And I have to say it's my very first Hermes scarf and I just love it. Here it is. It's so gorgeous. I love the design and the colors. It's so stunning. And I feel like it would go well with so many colors, with white, with black, with gray, with blue, with yellow. I also love the length of it. It's a perfect size and it's very flattering and I feel like I'll be wearing it quite often. Moving on to another item, and I'm so glad that I was able to get this one. I saw it in different variations, but this one is just my favorite and I had to buy it. I like the color combination of this tray. It's so gorgeous and I'll actually use it to leave some of my jewelry, especially when I come home. I feel like my VCA guilloche or white mother of pearl jewelry will look amazing here. And this is the bottom of this tray. It's so well made, just like all Hermes products, and that's why I like the brand. I feel like I'm falling in love more and more with the brand and I want to collect more items. Maybe in the future I'll get another one in a different color combination. And now let's move on to Chanel part of unboxing. And I have to say this one was a complete impromptu. I totally did not plan to buy them. And I have recently posted a vlog which I'll link down in the description box below in case you want to check it out. I was traveling through Bangkok airport. I went to the store, saw these ones, asked about the size and they had them. and I just knew that I had to buy them on the spot because it's not easy to find my size in Singapore. Either the quantities are too small or sometimes they don't even import. Anyways, it has been a very long time since I purchased a pair of shoes from Chanel. And actually, I like their shoes a lot. The quality is pretty good. I never had any issues. And I typically wear their shoes very often. And they are quite durable. They look like new for as long as possible, which is good. And that's what I like about them. Actually, the last time I purchased a pair of shoes from Chanel in 2020, right after the lockdown. At least the packaging did not change since then, and these are the usual care instructions that typically come with the shoes. My last purchase was a pair of sling bags, the same ones that I already have in case something happens to them. And I'm actually glad that I got a backup pair. Anyways, these are the shoes, loafers. I love the color and I like the material. Typically this material is rather durable. It's very hard to scratch it. I'm gonna create some outfits and post some pictures on my Instagram account. So if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. I really love how comfortable they are. They feel like a pair of slippers. And I also like the size of the heel. It's just the perfect height. And I love the embellishment, the fact that it's in a light gold color, which is so easy to style. It would go with all my jewelry. These also come in different colors, but my favorite is white because I feel like it's the easiest to style. I typically wear loads of clothes in a white color or sometimes in black, and I feel like the white shoes would match everything perfectly. But they're also beautiful in brown, in yellow. Unfortunately, the store did not have this in my size. I didn't get to try them on. I also saw them in this dusty raspberry color. They also come in a burgundy color, which is so gorgeous. Unfortunately, the size was also not available. And they also come in a black color, which is great. By the way, guys, which color do you like the most? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're going to say. Anyways, guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. If you like my content, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe to me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!